Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Today I'm very excited to open up this package. It's something I ordered quite a while ago, but it just takes time to get these things done and go through the whole process and steps that it takes, and then getting it to here in the U.S. As you can see, this came from outside of the U.S., from one of our good friends in the stacking community, and this may give you a little hint on what it's about. And most of you know, I got this a few months ago. Had one of our members in the stacking community make it for me, and out of this comes this. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this thing open. I'm going to do it off screen. It's sealed pretty well, and I don't want to get hurt. In fact, I should have cut it open before I started the camera, but let's go ahead and take a look here. Alright, package is open. Let's take it out of here. Let's take this out of here. Got ourselves some information we'll take a look at. Some more information. More. So you can see there's going to be multiple things inside this package. So I'm going to go ahead and shake it out of here. See what we have. Alright. We got one more slip in here. We'll put that over here. And let's see what we have here. Yeah, wow, pretty cool. Pretty excited to open these up. Like I said, I ordered these quite a while ago. I've been very anxious to get them. So let's see what we have. Oh, they're in their own little containers here, own little bags. So let's open up this one. There we go. Oh, isn't that cool? Talking Bullion round. 1.16 ounces Troy, and look at that. They've got the hallmark stamps on them. And I had these serial numbered. So this first one I opened up is 003. Gotta put it under the coin cam. This would officially be the round cam today. But let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, look at that. As you know, this is from Backyard Bullion. Does a great job of putting this stuff together. Just love his stamping, love the antiquing. I think I said 1.16, but it looks like 1.18 ounces Troy. Take a look at the back. Nice serial number there. So, as you know, there will only be one number 003 Talking Bullion round. So look at the ripples in that thing. I mean, just a beautiful round. That's absolutely gorgeous. I'll leave that on the screen for a minute while I open up this next one. Let's see what this next one is. This next one is 002. So let's take a look at this one. Awesome. Everyone's going to be unique because of the serial number and the ripples. Look at the ripples on that one. Looks like those ripples were made perfectly for that leaf. Look at how that leaf just sets right in there. And this one's 1.07 troy ounces. And again, you can see the hallmarking on the bottom there. See Backyard Bullion symbol there. 999. And then the last one I believe is a year representation, and then the third one over would be the hallmarks representation. So 002, isn't that cool? Wow, really like that a lot. So leave that on the screen while I go after another one here. And okay, we've got number 4 here. Let's take a look at number 4. Should have did them in order, I guess, but I can't help when I open them. Here's number 4. Talking Bullion, 1.1 ounces Troy. It looks like the 1.1 got caught up in the ripples a little bit there, which is cool. You can't control those ripples, and actually, these ripples look really cool on this one too. Gotta love that ripple effect. So this is number 4. Look at that, baby. And then the weight on this thing. I mean, it just feels great. So I'll leave that momentarily on the screen while I go after another one here. And I got more than one, as you can tell. How many did I get? We're going to soon find out. So let's look at this one here, which is going to be number 5. And let's take a look at this one. 1.13 troy ounces, Talking Bullion. Got the hallmarks on there. Wow. I mean, just look at those ripples. I mean, if you could see this in person, I mean, honestly, I don't think the camera does it justice. You could see this thing with your own eyes. You would really, really appreciate those ripples. And again, this is serial number 5. And as always, there will only be one number 5. So that's really cool. And let's take a look at the last one. The one that I wanted to look at last because it's number 1. The first ever 1 ounce Talking Bullion round. And look at this. It's serial number 1 and it's exactly 1 troy ounce. Isn't that cool? Wow. This is really, really awesome. Number 1. So to give you an idea of the size, let me get a couple US coins out to compare it to. Okay, so here is a 1960 quarter. So you can see it's almost the exact size of a quarter. Just a little bit bigger. So let's put a 50-cent piece on here. I don't have a 90%er, but I do have one sitting right here. So let's put this on the screen. And then let's put this over the top. So you can see it's just slightly smaller than a 50-cent piece, slightly bigger than a quarter. So good size, nice and chunky. Rotate this thing around. So what do you guys think? Are those cool or what? So let me go ahead and put them in order here. And we'll take a look at them all together as one. But unfortunately, they won't stay together as one for very long because I bought these to give away to awesome lucky winners on my channel. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 5 of these guys together. Look at those things. Let me see if I can block out some of this light. Wow. Are those awesome or what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's look at the certs he sent over. So he did send over a C of A for each one of them. C of A looks like this. Backyard Bullion. Certificate of Authenticity. And let's take a look. Talking Bullion channel round. 1 ounce troy, 999 fine silver. Hallmarked in Edinburgh. Serial number 001. Oh, is that cool or what? Slide that under there. Let's pull these down just a little bit. Gotta put the C of A on there, that's important. So let's slide that under like that. There we go. That looks good. Then here's number 2. Here's number 3. Here's number 4. And here's number 5. So I would encourage anybody who's looking for something custom done or even buy some of the stuff that he does himself, because Backyard Bullion has a great hand poured channel and he does some really cool stuff. And as you can see, he does custom stuff as well. So I commissioned this big boy. This one's a 3 ouncer a few months ago now. Just wanted a pocket piece. Got the idea from him from one of his videos that he ran and thought, wow, wouldn't it be great if I had a pocket piece myself? So I ordered it a few months ago, got it. Again, this is 3 ounces and these are 1. But I thought the 1 ouncers would be more appropriate and be a lot nicer. And what do you guys think? Pretty cool or what? I'm pretty excited about having the daddy here and the 5 kids. And looking forward to giving these away and having some beautiful silver from Backyard Bullion represent my channel as well. So as I was going through the box, I came across a letter that was in there, and it's pretty cool, so I wanted to make sure I read it to you guys. So let's take a look. It says, Dear Talking Bullion, please find the enclosed channel rounds you ordered. I hope they are to your liking. They came out really well, I think. Thanks so much for the continued support of my channel and hand-poured silver. It means a lot. Yours, Backyard Bullion. Well, thank you, Backyard Bullion. I really appreciate your quality and everything you do for the YouTube community, because you're a big part of what goes on out there. And I appreciate you taking the time to take my request and grant my request and get me just some beautiful rounds. So that's it for now. I hope you liked this video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. And also subscribe if you haven't. Going to continue to have great content coming forth. And just looking forward to 2019, which is coming up here very, very soon. Hit that bell button so you can be notified anytime I put a video out there. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.